This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your speaker type and locating the volume controls on each device. Active speakers have onboard knobs while passive need an amplifier. Connect the appropriate cable 5 mm, RCA, optical or speaker wire to the source and speaker or amp and secure all connectors. Once done, power devices on and set all volume controls to a low baseline so you can adjust safely. Make sure to note room layout because speaker placement affects perceived volume and balance. You now focus on the signal chain. Switch the source output to line level and disable any loudness or EQ presets that alter perceived volume. Next, set the amplifier gain or input sensitivity so peaks don't clip. Start low and increase until the signal is clear without distortion. Once the gain staging is correct, use the amp or source balance/trim controls to center the stereo image. Make small incremental changes. This prevents sudden jumps in loudness and helps you hear how each change affects tonal balance. You finish by bringing the master volume to your target listening level using familiar tracks so you can judge tonal accuracy and loudness. Make sure to listen for distortion, hum, or channel imbalance and correct gain or cable issues if you hear them. If needed, reduce amp gain or swap cables. For repeatable results, use an SBL app to measure decibel levels at the listening position. If anything goes wrong, try isolating components, swap cables, test a different source, then adjust gain again to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.